Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on messages request notifications on Instagram. If you want to stay up to date with your direct messages and requests, follow these simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to access the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, tap on Notifications, and then select Messages from the list of notification options. Once you're on the Messages notification screen, you'll see an option for Messages Requests. Simply toggle the switch to the On position to enable notifications for new message requests. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Messages Requests notifications on Instagram. Now you'll receive notifications whenever you have new message requests waiting for you. Stay connected and never miss an important message by following these quick and easy steps. Thank you for watching and happy messaging.